Meanwhile, Malacanang assured it is looking into other legal means to help cushion the effects of the power rate increase. These include the possibility of using the President's Social Fund. Rocky Ignacio reports.
Malacanang assured that the government is taking legal action to cushion the effect for the consumers of the looming power rate hike. Presidential spokesperson Edwin Lacerda said this following the Supreme Court's temporary restraining order against possible increase in the monthly electric bill to pave the rehabilitation of transmission towers damaged by Super Typhoon Yolanda. The Supreme Court already ruled that the law prohibits the use of Malampaya funds for repair of any power facilities.
We would like to help, but we want to make sure also that it has some constitutional and legal basis, one that would not be disapproved eventually by the Supreme Court if ever such an action will be taken.
But the palace says the issuance of TRO would allow the court to determine more the basis for a power rate hike. President Aquino, during an interview with media in Tokyo, that the government is considering to utilize the President's Social Fund to rehabilitate damaged transmission facilities.
It would be an opportunity for the courts to look into the legal basis, and I think that's a recourse that we have always, that people have taken when there's an issue of national importance.
The President earlier instructed Energy Secretary Jericho Petilla and Justice Secretary Laila de Lima to investigate the alleged collusion among power producers amidst power rate hike.
Secretary Petilla of the DOE and Secretary Laila de Lima of DOJ have committed to conduct an investigation whether there is collusion among the power industry players. So let's wait for that investigation proper. But also ERC, I understand, is also looking into it.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.